What's resilience, anyway? Yo, life gets tough, that's just how it goes. Storms will come, highs and lows, but being resilient means you don't give in. You fall down once, then you stand up again. It's not about being the toughest around, it's about standing tall when you're knocked to the ground. Like when you fail a test and still try your best. That's resilience, it's life's real test. It's not just strength, it's heart and grit. It's saying I'm not done and meaning it. Say it loud, say it brilliant. What's the word? Be resilient. Fall down, rise like a champ again. You've got bounce back built in, my friend. Say it loud, say it brilliant. What's the word? Be resilient. Na 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 na. Think of Terry Fox, ran across the land, one leg, one dream. A nation took a stand, faced cancer, pain, but never quit. That's resilience, pure legit. Or Malala, who fought for girls to learn. Even when the world tried to make her burn, she spoke up strong, and still she shines. That's resilience, crossing all lines. Every setback's a setup for a comeback swing. That's the fire resilience can bring. Say it loud, say it brilliant. What's the word? Be resilient. Fall down, rise like a champ again. You've got bounce back built in, my friend. Say it loud, say it brilliant. What's the word? Be resilient. Da na 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 na. It's in your brain, it's in your heart. It grows every time you make a fresh start. Lost your game? Missed your shot? Try again, give it all you got. Resilient kids learn how to cope with problem solving and lots of hope. It's deep breathing when your anger's loud. It's saying, I'll get there, feeling proud. You build it with practice, day by day, by learning to grow in a gritty way. So next time you're stuck or life feels unfair, remember, resilience is already there. It's not magic, it's something you train, like lifting your spirit again and again. Say it loud, say it brilliant. What's the word? Be resilient. Fall down, rise like a champ again. You got bounce back built in, my friend. Say it loud, say it brilliant. What's the word? Be resilient. Na 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 na.
Thanks for watching. Use code YT25 at supersimplesheets.com to get 25% off. Just for our YouTube viewers and only for a limited time. Browse our best-selling curriculum-aligned workbooks packed with hands-on activities and ready-to-go worksheets.